Hi! In front of me is Nothing Phone 2, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. You need to begin by going into Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this little plus at the bottom left corner. In order to add an audio file, click on Files section right next to Stickers. Tap on one of those apps or just click on Audio Filter at the top. You can also select those three lines at the top left corner and tap on one of those sources, like Downloads. When you find your file that you wish to add, you need to hold it. Then click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my file was too big. So when I picked the smaller one instead, it was successfully added. In order to add a video one, you need to select Gallery section instead. Let's click. And then just click on your video that you wish to add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!